What's up, online shoppers? Are you ready to take your taste buds on a world tour without even leaving your kitchen? If so, you've got to check out this incredible infused sea salt sampler from Caravel Gourmet. They gifted this to me and I cannot wait to open this up and give everything a taste test. Now, this is a really cool little package. It is a sampler of 6 different infused sea salts. And the interesting thing about Caravel is that even though the ingredients are sourced from around the world, they are blended right in the USA. This right here won me right off the bat because I love ingredients that are gathered with thought and care. Let's check out these different sea salts. You've got smoked bacon chipotle, garlic medley, Hawaiian bamboo jade, rosemary, 5 pepper salt, and Hawaiian black lava. I am intrigued. This is what the tin looks like when you open it up, and you can see why this is really well suited for gifting. These adorable little tins, they come individually out of the package. They have a nice little screw top lid, and the back is clearly labeled what the salt is. Black Hawaiian lava. I'm trying this one first because I am clearly intrigued by the flavor. It has natural sea salt and premium activated charcoal. Who would have thought charcoal? I bet you this is going to have a nice smoky flavor. That is what the salt looks like. All black and glistening. It does look like charcoal. It's predominantly salt, but with a really smoky after finish. I can see myself using this on a steak or on burgers. This one here is their 5 pepper salt. When I look at it, I can actually see all the different peppers blended in. It has pink pepper, black pepper, white pepper, green pepper, and also allspice. Now the allspice intrigues me. Open this up. Oh, this smells really good. Now for the taste test. Now, I love my peppercorn grinder, and this definitely is bringing peppercorn grinder kind of pepper. But I also love that that finish at the end is the allspice. So I think this would be really great on vegetables, like a squash. Fantastic. Next up, I am also intrigued by this one. This one here is the Hawaiian Bamboo Jade. And the only ingredients in here are really coarse sea salt and the bamboo leaf extract. Now, the smell of it is almost green, like a fresh smell. And now for the taste test. Yeah, there's a very fresh green taste to this. I definitely think I will try this with some beans almondine. I think that would be really good. Next up, garlic medley. Now the garlic medley has natural sea salt, bell peppers, garlic, black pepper, onions, a little bit of sugar, celery seed, parsley, and some other natural flavors. And I think that this is going to be how I take my garlic bread to the next level. Oh, this smells heavenly. You can see from the consistency of it, it's definitely a much finer grind than the previous salts that I've showed you. And now for the taste test. Oh yeah. It's really good. I think I'm going to make myself some garlic bread and use this as the finisher. I think this is going to take the garlic bread to the next level. We have 2 left, rosemary salt and smoked bacon chipotle. Now I think this is going to be my favorite, so I'm saving it for last. The rosemary sea salt is just sea salt with rosemary. Oh, this is great. I love to use rosemary when I season meat, like roast beef. Yes, this is definitely going on a roast beef this week. And now, the one I've been waiting for the most. What did they say about bacon? Bacon makes everything better. Smoked bacon chipotle sea salt. So it is natural sea salt that is smoked over alderwood, has a natural bacon flavor, has chipotle peppers, and a little bit of gum arabic. Open this up. Again, this is a really fine salt, not a coarse one. Oh, and it smells like your favorite barbecue. It is fantastic. It's got a really dark, smoky color. And for the taste test. Oh, it's bacony, all right. First, you get the bacon and the smoke, and then afterwards, a little bit of a pepper kick to it. This, I think, would be a really fantastic finisher on a Caesar salad. We'll take it to the next level. I am really impressed with these Caravel Gourmet infused sea salts. I cannot wait to put them into action in my kitchen because my first taste test with all of these, even the ones that were a little bit kind of off the beaten path for me, super impressed. They are a great way to finish off your meal. They are a thoughtful gift for chefs, home cooks, and food lovers alike. And I think that this is going to be a fantastic housewarming gift or hostess gift during the holiday seasons. If you are looking for something that fits all those bills, you've got to check out the Caravel Gourmet Infused Sea Sampler. I haven't had it for long, but I think this is going to be a family favorite at my house.